Hello, my name is Darcy Van Est. I'm Strategic Business Development Manager with Steelcraft Inc. Welcome to an overview of Steelcraft's tank top disperser with hydraulic lift technology. These units combine aggressive shear mixing along with the ability to raise and lower the dispersion blade in the batch while mixing. These units are available from 2 horsepower all the way up to 400 horsepower. Those are a lot of ponies working for you in your batch. The compact inline bridge design maximizes the available space at the top of your tank for ingredient hatches as well as inspection ports. Of course, we've set this up in our test area without a tank to allow you to see the key features of the unit. Key elements of the system are the drivetrain, lift system, and disperser blade. Let's have a closer look at the drivetrain. The power plant of this beast consists of a large AC motor secured to a heavy-duty mount plate. This plate is supported on large drive studs, which allow the belt tension to be adjusted and of course position the motor at the correct elevation. The motor itself is available with several features including explosion proof, inverter duty, and washdown ratings. This particular unit is 150 horsepower, so it's in the mid-range of our size offering. From the motor we have an industrial banded belt which transmits the motor power to the top of the disperser shaft. Our team of mechanical engineers carefully select the belt and pulleys you see here to minimize noise and provide a long service life. The unit is equipped with a fully enclosed belt guard. Of course, we've removed half of this to show you the internals. The lift system of the unit consists of a hydraulic power pack equipped with a control valve along with a hydraulic cylinder that provides raising and lowering functionality of the disperser. The power unit starts with an AC motor coupled to a hydraulic pump which pressurizes the fluid in the reservoir. By operating the control valve, I can direct flow to the cylinder which will provide the raising and lowering operation. We also provide push button control as well as complete PLC integration. Now let's get started and bring the mixer up to speed and then we'll operate the lift system. Now as we start the unit, you'll notice some shaft movement as we come up to speed. This is normal for a high-speed disperser as the unit operates above the natural frequency of the shaft, so you'll see that deflection as it moves through that critical speed. As you can see at full speed, the shaft vibration is dampened out and we're ready to operate the hydraulic lift. The motor has already been started to pressurize the lines, and by operating the directional control valve, we can raise the blade in the batch. Typically, the blade would be raised in the batch as the actual batch volume increases, as well as if there are difficult powders that are on the surface and they need to be incorporated. By raising the blade while mixing, the vortex and fluid velocity at the surface of the batch will become much more intense and allow those difficult to wet powders to be readily dispersed in the fluid. Once the unit has been fully raised and powder incorporation successful, we can then lower the blade or position it mid-range depending on the process needs. Now that we've run through the operation of the unit, I'd like to spend a moment in talking about maintenance as well as safety. We've designed maintenance windows that allow the maintenance staff to access the lower bearing and seal assembly of the unit. Of course, to do this maintenance, we want to make sure we follow safety lockout procedures as well as use specifically designed safety devices that we've incorporated. So by bringing the lift up to the midpoint of its travel, we can then install safety locking bars that will prevent any pinch points or hazards during the maintenance operations. Well, those are the key features of Steelcraft's tank top disperser with hydraulic lift. It's one of the many solutions we offer to the process industries. Other offerings include agitators, heat exchangers, and pressure vessels. Learn more at steelcraftinc.com or call us at 1-800-567-3223. We hope to hear from you.